Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change video resolution in your Akaso Brave 4 Pro. So first of all, we have to turn the video mode. Next, click on the settings icon and select video mode. I mean the video resolution. As you can see, we can go for the 4K, Full HD and 2K. You can switch simply between them. You can also scroll down and go for the HD. You can pick HD in the 30, 60 and 120 and 240 frames per second. Full HD you can pick from the 30 to the 120, and the other you can only get the 30 frames per second. So we can decide. I'm going for the Full HD with the 120 frames per second. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.